Hi everyone, welcome to Monica's Singapore Kitchen. Today I will be cooking a classic Nyonya dish called Nyonya Chap Chye. Nyonyas are a group of Peranakan women. They are descendants of early Chinese migrants who settled in Penang, Malacca, Singapore and Indonesia. They then intermarried the local Malays, which resulted in a cuisine which combines Chinese, Malay, Javanese, and other cuisines. Chap chye, however, is a Hokkien term for mixed vegetables. This blend in culinary cultures results in a delicious taste of sweet, savory, and spicy note. Come along with me to see how this dish is prepared. Here are the ingredients for the spice base: roughly chopped shallots, candlenuts, roughly chopped chilies, and shrimp paste. After blending, it forms a smooth paste like this, and we are going to put this aside. As for the vegetables, I have separated the stalk from the leaves of my cabbage. Shred the leaves roughly like so. Julienne the stalk like this into smaller pieces so that every part cooks evenly. Here are the baby corn and carrots. I have cut the baby corn diagonally like this. As for the carrots, what I'm going to do is a little bit more fancy. So this is optional. I'll just cut longitudinal grooves on the surface of the carrot. You can omit this step. Okay, so after this, you'll cut it into half cm disc like so. Put this aside as well. These are snow peas. Remember to remove the fibrous strings on the sides. Otherwise, we will be eating and flossing our teeth at the same time. Here are the Shitake mushrooms, which I have hydrated, soaked for half an hour and drained. I'll quarter it and put it aside. This is black fungus. I've also soaked them in hot water for half an hour and drained. They have gritty bits, which are parts that are attached to the bark of a tree. Can you see this part? Yeah? Okay. We need to cut these parts away because they are quite hard and we do not want to eat them. Put this aside as well. Here are the other ingredients. We have got the glass noodles, the black fungus that I was talking to you about. Now this is interesting. This is dried lily buds. I have soaked them in hot water for half an hour and drained. Cut away the hard woody parts at the ends of the buds if you do find them. This is a fried bean curd stick. It's already fried and crispy. No need to soak them. You just break them into smaller pieces and then put it into our dish afterwards. This is roast pork belly. I bought it from the supermarket. I cut it into half cm thick. The seasonings are sugar and preserved salted soya bean paste. This soya bean paste is a must in this dish. It gives the Nyonya dish the character. Okay, so let's cook. We heat up oil, pour in the paste. We are going to stir fry this for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, you will notice that the paste is drier, the color has darkened, and the oil has separated from the rest of the paste. Time to add the bean paste, the sugar, and our roast pork. Pour in 1 liter of water And we are going to add in all our ingredients that take a longer time to cook, like the mushroom, black fungus, our cabbage, carrots, baby corn, and also our fried bean curd stick, and our lily buds. It might look a lot, but later it will cook to around about 2/3 of this amount. So use a large wok so that it's easy for you to turn all these ingredients if you're cooking this amount. So you're going to close and braise it for 25 minutes. So after 25 minutes, time to add in our snow pea. Snow pea takes a shorter time to cook. I still want to maintain its crispiness and also the green color. So make a well at the center of our ingredients, and then we're going to nestle our glass noodles in this well where all the gravy pools. Then we are going to braise it for another 5 minutes to cook the glass noodles. So after 5 minutes, it looks something like this. Now this last ingredient is optional. I've added 1 teaspoon of chicken powder. You can omit that if you want to. Now this Nyonya Chap Chye is best served hot with a piping bowl of hot rice. Sambal belacan with limau kasturi is a classic accompaniment. This dish is always served to balance heavy Nyonya dishes like Nyonya curry chicken and other dishes cooked with spices and coconut milk. Thanks for stopping by, and as always, happy cooking!